Okay, today we are doing maths and we are doing time. Today we are doing maths and our topic is time. We have been doing it, but we were not doing clock faces. We were asking each other about how many hours are in a day, how many days are in a week. But today we want to look at them clocks. Okay. I've got two clocks here, two clock faces here. There are some things that I want you to understand about time. Once you understand those, you are not going to have problems reading time. Okay. Are you seeing these clearly? The first ones?
Yes.
Tadiwa, are you seeing Agatha?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what I want you to know is that look at the clock face here. Sometimes it is round, sometimes you find it in a rectangular shape, or it can be a square. But these are still clocks. Don't get used to the round one only. Okay, this round one, it is like a circle. It is a circle, and if I divide this circle vertically, it means from top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom, I have divided it into half. Can you see these red dots there? This dotted line in red, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it means we have got two halves. We have got two halves. That's why when it is pointing, when the minute hand is pointing at 6, maybe let's also clarify on the minute hand and the hour hand. The minute hand is usually thinner and longer. Is thinner and longer. And the hour hand is thicker and shorter. It is thicker and shorter. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So the hour hand would be pointing at the hours and the minute hand at the minutes. Okay. So if our minute hand is pointing at 6 here, that's the reason why we say half past. That's the reason why we say half past, because it is halfway. And if I divide this circle again horizontally, it's from left to right. And there is a black dotted line there. Can you see it? The black dotted line there,
Yes.
left to right. And it is on which numbers? It is touching on which numbers? This black dotted line. Tadiwa, Skaniso, Michelle, and Mel. When you are in class, you are very active, but in these live lessons, sometimes you just look at teacher not wanting to talk. What is the problem? Yes, Agatha, your hand was up. Agatha?
Pointing on 3 and 9.
Yes, good. It is pointing at 3 and 9. And can you see the circle? I said first time with the red dotted line. we divided it into half vertically. But if we continue to divide it again with this black dotted line horizontally, how many parts do we have now? Parts do we have now? Is Michelle? Michelle?
There will be five.
We have how many?
There are four.
We now have, yes, we now have got 4 parts. And we said with fractions, if we have got parts and it's not a whole thing, these are fractions. So with fractions, if we have 4 parts, it's out of 4, which means 4 out of 4. So that's why we say, if it is pointing at 3 and 9, we say quarter to. We say quarter to on 9, and on 3 we say quarter past. Also understand that on this side here, on this side there, which is on my right and your left there, all these numbers from starting from here up to 6 here, this side it's past. This side it's past. Sorry, it's 2. This side is 2. As we are going from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's 2. And then this side here, on my left, your right, it is past. All the numbers that are here, as soon as we leave 12 here, it is now past up to 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to tell me if the minute hand is pointing at 12, we say it is at 12, the minute hand, that longer one, yes ma'am?
It's o'clock.
O'clock, very good. And if it is pointing at 6, Agatha? Yes, half past. Yes. And if it is pointing at 9? If it is pointing at 9, Tadiwa, are you yes, Kaniso? Michelle? Quarter to, yes, very good. And it is pointing at 3. Yes, star.
Quarter past.
Yes, quarter past, very good. So now I want you to look at this clock below here. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
It has got all the numbers now. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They, all of them are there. Which one is the minute hand there? It is pointing at which number? The minute hand.
Yes.
Can you so?
It is pointing at 6.
Yes. So 6 we said it is.
Yes,
Male?
Half past.
Yes, half past. And the hour hand is pointing at. Where is the hour hand? Yes, Tadiwa.
It's pointing at 4.
Yes, is it pointing at 4 exactly?
No.
Yeah. Pointing at 4 exactly, Tadiwa?
No.
So where is it?
These are center.
A center for which numbers?
4 and 5.
Yes, very good. It is pointing between 4 and 5. So last time we said that if it is past, because you told me that it is there, it's half past. So last time we said that if it is past, it means that it is past. We said that it is past a certain number. So this is have passed which number? Which number has been passed here? Yes, Agatha. Have passed?
4.
Yes, have passed 4. It is passed 4 there. So this is half past 4. Okay. I'm going to give you, each one of you, I'm going to give you something to do. And I'm going to give you 2-3 minutes to do that. Okay. We'll start with Michelle there. Michelle, can you hear me? Okay. Michelle, your work is, what is the time when the hour end? Can you write that down? The hour end is pointing at 1. The hour end is pointing at 1. And the minute hand is pointing at 12. So for you to get your answer, you have to draw the clock and put the minute hand and the hour hand on the places that you are given, on the numbers that you are given. Okay. So you can draw that, Michelle. You can even draw with your pen. Don't stand up. Okay, and then now, the minute hand, yours, can you write it down, Mel? Okay, the minute hand is pointing at 12. The minute hand is pointing at 12. And the hour hand is pointing at 1. So just copy minute hand, minute hand 12, hour hand 1, so that you can draw your clock. Okay. Then Kanyiso. Kanyiso, the minute is pointing at 3. The minute hand is pointing at 3. And the hour hand is pointing at 2. The minute hand is pointing at 3 and the hour hand at 2. Agatha, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, wait for others. Yours, the minute hand is pointing at 9. The minute hand is pointing at 9. And the hour hand is pointing at 3. Sadiwa, the hour hand is, the minute hand is pointing at 6. The minute hand is pointing at 6. And the hour hand is pointing at 10. The hour hand is pointing at 10. The minute hand on 6. Okay, Michelle, have you drawn the clock? Did you draw the clock? Can
Yes.
I see it? Can I see your clock?
It's this one.
Okay, she decided to use a rectangle. And your time is, oh, so that is
1 o'clock.
correct. When it is o'clock, the minute hand is pointing at, when it is o'clock, the minute hand, that longer one, is pointing at Michelle.
12.
At 12 is yours pointing at 12. That longer one. Mishi? Okay, Michelle, can you make that longer one point at 12? Because your longer one is pointing at 1. Can you see it? Look at your clock. Look at your clock. Can you see the mistake? Mishi, can you see the mistake there? So can you do it? Can you correct it? Agatha, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, can you show me?
I'm done.
Yes, that's correct, Agatha. Yes, can I see yours, May? You didn't write your time, even Agatha, you didn't write your time below your clock there. Can you write it down?
The time.
Write your time. Have you written it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yes, I can see yours, Agatha. It's correct. Yes, Mel, it's correct. Good. Can I see yours, Tadiwa? Michelle, where have you gone to?
It's another time.
You are not yet done. Okay, can you finish up? Mel and Agatha, you can be. Okay, no, I said I've already seen it. That's good. I want to give you more work whilst we are waiting for Michelle and Tadiwa. Okay, Agatha, can you show 12:30? And Mel, can you show 8:30?
I'm done.
Okay, you are done. Show me.
I'm done.
All right, Mishi, show me.
Teacher.
Can I see it?
Teacher.
Yes, Agatha.
I did not hear you. I did not hear
I said
you.
show 12:30. Oh, I said you can show 12:30. Can you hear me now? Okay, Michelle.
Yes.
Michelle, can you show me again? Yes, that's correct now, but next time make your minute and hour and longer. Make them a bit longer. They should start at the center of your circle there. Agatha, what is happening there? I can now see you, your head is down and your legs up. Okay. Okay, Mel and Agatha Tadiwa, we are waiting for you.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, can I see it, Agatha? Did you write the time down? Agatha, you forgot to write your time below your clock there. Okay, Mel, I can't see. Yeah, past 8, yes, but next time make sure that your hour end is pointing at 8 exactly there. It's correct. It's correct, Mel. I've seen.
Okay.
Okay, yes, I've seen. That's correct. Tadio, you are still writing.
I'm done.
Because our time is almost up. Okay, so you guys, you now understand time. Tadio, can I see? I can't see. Okay. Yeah, can you make, when you are now drawing for the exercise that I'm going to give you, can you try to make your minute end thinner? Tadiwa, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, try to make your minute end thinner. Don't draw both of them thick like that. Okay. Anyone who hasn't understood anything concerning time or who has got a question, you have understood, Michelle? Time? Yes, good. Mel?
I've understood.
Very good. Agatha?
I've understood.
Yes, good. And Tadiwa?
I've understood.
Okay. So now I'm going to send work, and it's mostly on half past. It's mostly on half past. Yes, so for the first clocks A to H, you are just going to tell us the time that is shown on the clock faces. And then number 2, you are going to draw clock faces to show the time that is stated there. And I want you to draw your clocks neatly. You have to draw them neatly. Make sure that you put your dot at the center of 12, 6, 9, and 3 there. And make sure we can easily identify which one is the minute end and which one is the hour end. And once you get everything correct on this one, on this exercise, then Mommy and Daddy are going to buy some watches for you because you can now read time. Thank you very much. I will see you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Agatha.
Bye.
Yes, Michi?
I wanted to send
Yeah?
It's then David.
Okay. Mrs. Daniel, let you know.
I wanted to ask teacher, are you going to send homework tomorrow?
All right, Michi, I will send.